Did you know some engine degreasers can strip off years of grime in under 5 minutes without scrubbing? That's right. Not all degreasers are created equal, and today we're diving into the ones that actually work. Whether you're wrenching in your garage or detailing your ride before a sale, this list has something for everyone. And yes, all the links are in the description below, so feel free to check them out anytime. Let's start the countdown on number 8. WASH&WHIPS Green Hell Engine Cleaner. Brief, snap, and haircut. If you're after pure industrial power, Green Hell is exactly that. No gimmicks, just results. This 16 Oz bottle punches above its weight with a formula that melts through grease, oil, and grime in one go. It worked wonders on my motorcycle engine. No damage to chrome or plastic, just sparkling metal left behind. Compared to 3D Grand Blast, it's more aggressive right out of the bottle, but lacks the eco-friendliness and gentler surfactant profile. You can dilute it 3-to-1 for lighter jobs, which gives it some range. But if you're dealing with frequent, heavy-duty messes, the bottle runs out fast. It's tough, fast-acting, and ideal for pros who don't care about scent or foam, just clean metal. Number 7. Zepp Industrial Purple Cleaner. This one doesn't mess around. Zepp Purple is what you use when the engine bay looks like it's survived a war. The gallon concentrate stretches to 25 gallons when mixed, making it extremely cost-inevitable. It blows through diesel sludge and shop floor grime, but comes with a warning. This stuff can burn your skin and eat through aluminum if you're not careful. Compared to something like Oil Eater or Simple Green, Zepp is 10 times stronger, but also more hazardous. It's perfect for professionals and mechanics with serious cleanup to do. But it's definitely not for casual weekend detailers. On number 6, Gunk Feb 1 Foamy Engine Brite. Think of this as the set it and forget it option. You spray it on, watch it foam up, let it chill for 15 minutes and rinse. No brushing, no back-breaking scrubbing. It's awesome for plastic engine covers and light grime, but it'll bounce off anything truly greasy. Compared to WD-40 Specialist, it's gentler and a bit cheaper, but doesn't have the same reach or residue-fighting power. If your engine just needs a refresh and not a full-blown rescue, this is a solid pick. On number 5, Oil Eater Original. This one's got range. Oil Eater is non-toxic, non-flammable, and approved by the USDA for non-food areas, so it's safe enough to use in the garage or even indoors. It's powerful, too. Able to cut through baked-on oil and even act as a laundry pre-treatment for greasy clothes. It's more versatile than Gunk or Zepp, and way safer than Green Hell. That said, it can struggle with really embedded grease unless you use heat or a second pass. Think of it as the everyday hero, reliable, versatile, and safe. But maybe not the brute force option. Number 4, WD-40 Specialist Foaming Spray. WD-40's entry brings power and control in one sturdy can. The 5-foot spray reach is no joke. It hits deep into engine bays without disassembly. The foam clings well and gives visual coverage, which is a plus. Compared to Gunk, it's more precise and doesn't stink like solvents. However, it's not as tough as Zepp or 3D Grand Blast, so thick oil might need a second go. Still, it's safer and easier to handle, especially if you're not trying to wear gloves and goggles every time you clean. Number 3, Simple Green 13,005 CT Industrial. Simple Green walks the line between effectiveness and eco-consciousness. It's biodegradable, EPA Safer Choice certified, and has a mild scent. Sassafras, they say. It's got serious range when diluted right, and while it won't annihilate baked-on grime like Zepp or Dimmer, it'll handle most jobs without the fumes or corrosive side effects. If you're cleaning indoors or on delicate surfaces, Simple Green is safer and more pleasant. Just don't expect miracles on diesel-caked engine blocks. On number 2, ATAS Dimer. Dimer's the European tank in this list. Super concentrated, lemon-scented, and trusted by mechanics since the 60S. It cuts through thick engine grease with just a 1/6 dilution, and comes with a free spray bottle, which is a nice touch. Compared to Zepp, it's just as strong, but a bit more user-friendly thanks to the scent and packaging. But make no mistake, it's still pH 13. So gloves are mandatory. If you want power and don't mind mixing your own bottle, Dimer delivers premium-level degreasing at a fair cost. On number 1, 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser. And here's the champion. 3D. Grand Blast. This gallon jug offers industrial cleaning power in an eco-friendly formula that won't trash your surfaces. It emulsifies sludge and oil with barely any effort and rinses clean without leaving a film. Compared to Zepp, it's safer. Compared to Green Hell, it's more refined. And compared to Dimer, it's just as strong, but made in the USA and biodegradable. Whether you're a pro detailer or weekend warrior, Grand Blast gives you max performance, safety, and value all in one jug. You do need your own spray bottle, but that's a small trade-off for what you get in return. Final verdict, who takes the crown? All solid choices, but if we're picking a winner based on cleaning power, safety, dilution, flexibility, and value, it's 3D Grand Blast Engine Degreaser all the way. It's the best all-rounder for both professionals and everyday users who want power without the risk. So, what do you think? Have you tried any of these? Got a favorite I missed? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget, all the links are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more no fluff reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.